If you have a 2016 Kia Forte and need to change or check your automatic transmission fluid, the first thing you will need to do is pop the hood and remove the airbox the mechanic is pointing out here. To do so, remove the three 10mm bolts holding the airbox on. Also, loosen the airbox clamp with a 10mm socket. While the mechanic is working on that, we would like to mention that any tools or parts he uses in this video will be listed in the description below. Now, with the airbox out of the way, you will be able to locate the transmission fill plug on top of the front cover. The mechanic points at it here. With a 3/8 extension and ratchet, break loose and remove the plug. When handling these plugs, be sure to not force anything because they are made out of plastic and can easily break. Next, we are ready to remove the transmission fluid drain plug. But first, you will need to get a drip pan or bucket to catch the old fluid. Now, underneath of your transmission, which is on the driver's side of the car, you will find your drain plug. Get you a 24mm socket to break the plug loose to remove the plug as the mechanic does here. Now that we are down to only a drip, we are ready to reinstall the drain plug. Do you notice how the end of the plug is a magnet to catch all debris in the transmission? We will want to clean that off before putting it back in. The drain plug has a seal that is stuck to the transmission on ours. Please be sure to put the seal back when reinstalling. Tighten the drain plug to 32 foot-pounds. Now we move on to the check plug. Located on the front transmission cover, you will notice a plug with a 3/8 size hole. Use your ratchet to remove the plug, as the mechanic does here. If you notice, this plug does not screw in or out by threads. It tightens in by 2 locking tabs, so be sure to be easy with it and don't force anything. We are now ready to add transmission fluid. This car recommends a Kia SP4 fluid. As you can see here on the back of Valvoline Max Life, it covers this Kia transmission. You can now insert your funnel in the fill tube where we removed the plug at the beginning of this video. You can now start filling up your transmission. Be sure to have a drip pan under the vehicle to catch access fluid when it hits the check plug hole. After adding 4 quarts, we now have fluid coming from the fluid check hole. We are not done yet. Now you will need to start the vehicle and add fluid until fluid comes out again. Also, be sure to have the vehicle level when you are checking the transmission fluid. After a few more quarts, we have fluid coming out again. These transmissions typically hold around 7 to 7.5 quarts of fluid. With your foot on the brake, run the transmission through reverse and drive to make sure the level is still right. You can now put the check plug back in the transmission. Be sure it pulls all the way into the cover as the mechanic does here. Next, the mechanic will clean off the area and put the top fill plug back in the transmission. Reinstall the airbox with the 3 bolts and tighten the 10mm clamp that holds the air tube to the box. When you are done, you are then ready for a test drive. Get the vehicle to operating temperature and check the vehicle transmission fluid again. After that final check, you are good to go. I hope this video helped you guys. Give us a like and please subscribe.